The Arvus Lighter returns to the battlefield for the Solar Auxilia. Get ready. Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Solar Auxilia Arvus Lighter Transport Detachment for Warhammer the Horus Heresy Legions Imperialis tabletop game of epic scale combat. Yes. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. A big thank you to my patrons. Without your support and continued support, this channel would not be able to continue to do what it is that I do. And a big thank you to everybody here on the YouTubes clicking that membership button. Huge thank yous to you all. Warhammer the Horus Heresy Legion Imperialis, the Arvus Lighter. Yes, this model has started as a tabletop, regular tabletop 28mm version, and now we are getting epic versions. I don't think this was ever in epic in the past. I think maybe it was. I don't think so though. This is kind of like around the time of, man, it was like 4th edition, I think, when this model first came out. 4th edition Warhammer 40,000, you know. But anyway, yes, looks really great. It's a transport detachment. It's 8 epic scale models. Let's have a look at the back of the box. And yeah, look at these little things. I mean, these things are really fun. I like the new flying stands for these models. Very cool. Ooh, even comes with some transfer sheets. Nice. Very nice. And man, they look really fantastic. There's not much really to say. They look all pretty identical. It doesn't look like there's a lot of options for them, as they're just little transports, right? Like, if anything, they have like little guns on them, like one little bay of guns. They're not like heavily armed. This is just for getting your detachments of infantry around the battlefield. Let's bust out the trusty rusty blade of destiny and let's dive our way into this box. And because these have been supplied with cellophane, I'm a happy guy because yeah, I am going to rip my way into this box and have my way with this cellophane. Yes, I know. Well, you know what? Maybe we should come in for some ASMR. You guys all need some ASMR? Let's do it. All right, we ready? Let's try and see if we can get this in a clean rip. Here we go. Let me grab a little tab. Oh, the whole thing came up. Okay, here we go. Oh, not bad. That sound. Very nice. Very nice. Yes, great success. All right, so let's have our look inside the box. Open it up. Oh, I still get a kick out of the little tabs. I mean, I suspect we're looking at what, 2-3 frames? Holy man, whole whack ton of bases and flying stems. We have our instruction guide. Our instruction guide is not terribly heavy or thick. And yeah, it gives us the simplest breakdown of how to assemble these models. Very straightforward. I mean, these things are not, you know, complex or anything. Has he got like a big gun on top? He does too. He does have a big gun. He's got the big guns. And the bases are, I do believe, they say they're 40 mils. I think they're 40 mils. Get a quick little look at the transfer sheet. Has the Solar Auxilia detachments, Arandian Jarecies, Sithonian Headhunters, Machian Bulls, Saturnine Rams, Lord Marshal's Own, Ash Scorpions, Bormanti. What is it? Bormanti Devils, and the Deathless. Cool. I guess. Looks like regular flying stems or flying stands, excuse me. And yeah, these look like about 40 mil bases. So I do believe these are 40 mils. Very cool. And then we get our, oops, jeez, man, we got stuff all over the place. And then we have our 2 frames of the fighter, and we will come in for a closer look at that in a moment. Yeah, I like these big flying stands. It's kind of hilarious, like that they got a big flying stand for this craft, considering that, you know, a lot of the other flying stands are not quite as big. But then again, I don't know, maybe they are. Okay, you know what? Let's come in for a closer look on the Arvus Lighter. And yeah, let's have, you know, that thing we do. What's that thing? A sniff. Yes, that's right, a sniff. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, here we are, looking at the Arvus Lighters. Yeah, from the instruction guide, it looks like the hull is like 3 parts, and then you just start slapping the top piece on and, you know, glue the little details on, and away you go. Yeah, very, very cool. So it looks like each frame has, what, 4? Yeah, 4 on the frame. Tons of detail. Little gun. Looks like a little las cannon. Yeah, very, very, very cool. We're only looking at the one frame as, well, I mean, it's a duplicate frame, so I mean, like, you're really, it's not necessary to eyeball all the frames. What's that, a dog hair? Where's that piece of plastic? Oh, it's a piece of plastic. I thought it was a dog hair. Anyway, look at the back side. Yeah, very, very cool. Nice and straightforward design. And of course, it has that classic Imperial design, like human designs in Warhammer, you know, just have a very distinct look, especially from the 40,000 and the 30,000 era. You know, human technology is kind of boxy and everything like that, yet, you know, it feels kind of advanced in the time of the Horus Heresy, but yeah, very, very, very cool. You know what? We got to come in for a sniff test. Got a light? Yeah, that's a sniff test. Not everybody realizes it, but that is a sniff test. And, you know, there are certain limitations to a sniff test. So for everybody else out there, I think you're going to have to go out and acquire this box yourself to really determine for yourself what that smell is. Everybody's like, really, Chris? All right, let's get back to the rest of the video. And that is our look at the brand new Solar Auxilia Arvus Lighter transport detachment for Warhammer the Horus Heresy Legion Imperialis, the game of epic scale combat. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. Big thank you to my patrons for their continued support, as well as all you brand new ones. For everybody here on the YouTubes, big thank yous for clicking that membership button. Big thank yous to you all, as you all allow me to continue to do what it is that I do. And so a huge, huge thank you to you all. If you're not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell, all help the channel as well. And all it takes is a couple clicks of a button, and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everybody who takes the time to do that. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing or useless review. Maybe a painting tutorial. Maybe a live stream. Maybe a battle report. Maybe. Oh no, that's it. I guess that's all we got. I mean, these things actually look pretty big. But anyway. Okay, bye.